Are you having a hard time with your daily evacuations? Then you came to the right place. Evacuations are a main part of our daily life and health. If you are not having regular bowel movements, commonly known as doing the number 2, then it's time to reevaluate some things. So, stay tuned and learn how to improve your evacuations now. Hello dear friends and welcome back to Levitas, your number 1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many people but isn't often discussed openly. Constipation. If you're having trouble with your bowel movements, this video is for you. We'll explore what constipation is, factors that affect bowel movement, normal frequency of bowel movements, foods that cause constipation, natural remedies, medications that can cause constipation, the role of probiotics, and when to seek medical advice. What is constipation? Constipation is a common digestive issue characterized by infrequent, difficult, or painful bowel movements. It can vary from person to person, but typically it's defined as having fewer than 3 bowel movements per week. When you're constipated, stool moves too slowly through the digestive tract, becoming hard and dry, which makes it difficult to pass. What factors affect your daily bowel movement? Several factors can affect your bowel movements. Diet. Low fiber intake can slow down digestion. Fiber helps bulk up stool and promote movement through the intestines. Hydration. Not drinking enough water can lead to dehydration, which can cause hard stools that take a long time to evac. Physical activity. Lack of exercise can slow down the digestive system. Medications. Certain drugs, such as opioids, antacids, and some antidepressants, can cause constipation. Medical conditions. Conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, also known as IBS, diabetes, and thyroid disorders can affect bowel movements. Lifestyle. Stress and changes in routine, such as traveling, can disrupt your regular bowel habits. How many evacuations per day are normal? There isn't a universal, normal, when it comes to bowel movements. For some people, 3 times a day is normal, while for others, 3 times a week is typical. The key is consistency and comfort. But it is recommended at least 1 to 2 evacuations per day for better overall health. If you notice a significant change in your bowel habits, it could be a sign of a digestive issue. What foods produce constipation? There are certain foods that can contribute to constipation. Low fiber foods. Processed foods, white bread, white rice, and pastries lack fiber, which is essential for bowel movements. Dairy products. Cheese and milk can slow down digestion for some people. Whole grains. Some of the proteins in whole grains are detrimental for gut health, producing inflammation, damage to the gut lining, and poor microbiota. Bananas. Unripe bananas have high levels of starch, which can slow down digestion. Caffeine and alcohol. These can be dehydrating and may lead to harder stools. Do this now if you can't do number 2. If you're struggling with constipation, try these natural remedies. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. A natural laxative, olive oil stimulates the digestive system and helps stools pass more easily. Take 1 or 2 tablespoons in the morning on an empty stomach. Also, you can use 1 or 2 tablespoons before every meal for better effects. 2. Bone broth. Rich in nutrients and gelatin, bone broth supports gut health, improves microbiota and can help soften stools. 3. Soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber, found in low-sugar fruits, some vegetables, seeds like flax or chia. This kind of fiber helps soften stool. While insoluble fiber, principally found in vegetables, adds bulk to stool, stimulating the gut movement. Aim for a balanced intake of both. 4. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to help move stool through the intestines. 5. Probiotics. These beneficial bacteria, found in yogurt, fermented foods, and supplements, help maintain a healthy gut microbiome and promote regular bowel movements. What medications produce constipation? Certain medications are known to cause constipation. Opioids. Pain relievers like morphine and codeine. Antacids, especially those containing aluminum and calcium. Antidepressants. Tricyclic antidepressants and selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, also known as SSRI. Iron supplements. Often prescribed for anemia, they can harden stools. Diuretics. Used for hypertension and heart failure, they can dehydrate the body, leading to constipation. How can probiotics help with constipation? Probiotics are live bacteria that help balance the gut microbiome. They can improve gut health by increasing the frequency of bowel movements, softening stools, and reducing the time it takes for food to move through the digestive tract. Consuming probiotics through supplements or foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables can help alleviate constipation. How to diagnose and treat constipation? Diagnosing constipation typically involves a review of your medical history, a physical examination, and possibly some tests like blood tests, stool tests, or colonoscopy. Treatment focuses on lifestyle and dietary changes, such as increasing fiber intake, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and improving gut microbiota. Over-the-counter laxatives can provide short-term relief but shouldn't be used long-term without medical advice. In severe cases, prescription medications or other medical interventions might be necessary. When to see your doctor? You should see a doctor if 1. Constipation persists for more than 3 weeks. 2. You experience severe pain, bloating, or blood in your stool. 3. There is an unexplained weight loss. 4. Over-the-counter treatments don't work. If you notice significant changes in your bowel habits or if constipation is accompanied by other concerning symptoms, then it's time to seek for your head medical advisor. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, constipation is a very common yet often uncomfortable condition characterized by infrequent, difficult, or painful bowel movements. Typically defined as having fewer than 3 bowel movements per week, constipation occurs when stool moves too slowly through the digestive tract, becoming hard and dry, which makes it difficult to pass. Understanding the factors that affect bowel movements, recognizing symptoms, and knowing how to manage and treat constipation can significantly improve your digestive health. Several factors can influence your daily bowel movements. Diet plays a crucial role, with low fiber intake slowing down digestion. Fiber helps bulk up stool and promote movement through the intestines. Hydration is equally important. Not drinking enough water can lead to dehydration, resulting in hard stools. Physical activity is another factor. Lack of exercise can slow down the digestive system. Additionally, certain medications like opioids, antacids, and some antidepressants can cause constipation. Medical conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, diabetes, and thyroid disorders also impact bowel movements. Lastly, lifestyle factors such as stress and changes in routine, like traveling, can disrupt regular bowel habits. When it comes to the frequency of bowel movements, there isn't a universal standard. For some people, 3 times a day is normal, while for others, 3 times a week is typical. However, a general recommendation for better overall health is at least 1 to 2 evacuations per day. Foods can contribute to constipation. Low-fiber foods like processed foods, white bread, white rice, and pastries lack the essential fiber for bowel movements. Dairy products such as cheese and milk can slow down digestion for some individuals. Whole grains contain proteins that can harm gut health, leading to inflammation and poor microbiota. Unripe bananas are high in starch, which can slow down digestion. Caffeine and alcohol can be dehydrating, leading to harder stools. If you're struggling with constipation, try these natural remedies. Extra virgin olive oil. Acting as a natural laxative, olive oil stimulates the digestive system and helps stools pass more easily. Taking 1 or 2 tablespoons in the morning on an empty stomach or before meals can be effective. Bone broth. Rich in nutrients and gelatin, bone broth supports gut health, improves microbiota, and can help soften stools. Soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber, found in low-sugar fruits, some vegetables, and seeds like flax or chia, helps soften stool. Insoluble fiber, mainly found in vegetables, adds bulk to stool and stimulates gut movement. Aim for a balanced intake of both types of fiber. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps move stool through the intestines. Probiotics. These beneficial bacteria, found in yogurt, fermented foods, and supplements, help maintain a healthy gut microbiome and promote regular bowel movements. Certain medications are known to cause constipation. Opioids like morphine and codeine, antacids containing aluminum and calcium, antidepressants including tricyclic antidepressants and selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, iron supplements often prescribed for anemia, and diuretics used for hypertension and heart failure can all lead to constipation by dehydrating the body or hardening stools. Probiotics can play a significant role in alleviating constipation. These live bacteria help balance the gut microbiome, improving gut health by increasing the frequency of bowel movements, softening stools, and reducing the time it takes for food to move through the digestive tract. Consuming probiotics through supplements or foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables can help you if you can't do number 2. Diagnosing constipation typically involves a review of your medical history, a physical examination, and possibly some tests like blood tests, stool tests, or a colonoscopy. It's important to see your doctor if constipation persists for more than 3 weeks, you experience severe pain, bloating, or blood in your stool, there is unexplained weight loss, or over-the-counter treatments don't work. Significant changes in bowel habits or constipation accompanied by other concerning symptoms like fever or severe pain. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.